Ciao. The neglect. Oh my God, I'm so ashamed of myself for letting my hair get this bad. Wow. Who am I? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, and I am back with another natural hair video. And as you can see, your girl looks like who did it and why. I look like I just came off the slave ship. Like, your girl looks raggedy. Okay, I look raggedy, and I'm ashamed of myself because I have not been taking care of my hair for the past couple of days. So I'm super excited because I got my hands on some Olaplex products, and I'm gonna try them for the first time on camera with you guys today. As you can see there, back there, you can't really see them, it's pretty small. I'm super excited to try them out because for the past year and some change, I was dyeing my hair very frequently and my hair became damaged. It's definitely bouncing back now. I don't think it wasn't completely damaged, you know, to the point of no return. My curls are definitely bouncing back, and I'm definitely seeing some progress, but I wanted to try Olaplex products to see, you know, if it lives up to the hype, because it's supposed to be really good for damaged hair, for repairing, moisturizing it, and it's supposedly good for all hair types. So I currently have the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Then I have the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And I have this tiny bottle of the number 3 Hair Perfector, I guess that's what it's called. But if you're interested in seeing how these products work on my hair, then make sure you keep watching this video. And if you like videos like these, then subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video about hair and other beauty tips and videos. Let's get into the video, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we are of course in the shower, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and get it ready to shampoo my hair. However, as you guys are gonna see, I did this in the wrong order. You're supposed to use number 3 first. It's numerical, 3, 4, and 5, but for some reason that didn't click in my brain. So I started with wetting my hair and preparing to shampoo it. And as you guys are gonna see, I realized my mistake after I shampooed my hair, but you'll see what happened. So, and of course we have to take a shower concert break, because why not? Is it wash day if you don't sing into your detangling brush? No, I don't think it is. Anyways. So even though I did this in the wrong order, I still wanted to show you guys kind of like my first reaction to the shampoo, because guys, I am super impressed. Like, I was super impressed by this shampoo. Like, I love it. So first of all, a little bit goes a long way. I actually used a little bit too much the first time around, because I didn't realize how far a little bit would go. So usually with shampoos, I kind of have to use a lot because my hair is pretty thick. It's kind of hard to get all the way to the scalp, to get all over my scalp. So I kind of have to use more than I'd, you know, like to. But with this shampoo, I only have to use a little bit, and it lathers up so much. Like, as you guys can see, it's lathering up so much. Like, I definitely used way more shampoo than I needed to. So as you can see, I'm just continuing to rub that into my scalp. I'm using this little scalp massager thingy. And here is when I realized that I did this all wrong. So, so what I did was wash the shampoo out of my hair, and I then proceeded to towel dry it, or dry it with a t-shirt, that is. I just prefer to use t-shirts on my hair. It's a lot easier. I don't like wasting my towels, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna apply the Hair Perfector, which is number 3, which goes first. Use this before shampoo. Don't be like me, because apparently I can't count. But I just use a generous amount and apply that to the section. And by the way, I was using the towel dry to get my hair to not too dry, but just a damp state. So I'm just working that through the section. And at this point, I'm not really sure what to expect from this product, you guys. I'm guessing it's just like a treatment. It's a bond repair product. So I think this is one of those things that I'm gonna have to just continue using over time to see what exactly it's supposed to do. Yeah, I really don't have many thoughts on this product, but I'm going to continue to use it the way that it's, you know, instructed. So after applying that to my hair, I let that sit for 10 minutes because that's what the instructions say. And after letting that sit for 10 minutes, I rinse it out and I went back in with the shampoo just to ensure that I got all that product out of my hair. And since that's the way that you're supposed to use it. So again, I really do love this shampoo. I love the way it gives my hair a super clean, you guys. And that lather, I didn't realize how much I really like for my shampoos to lather. But this shampoo lathers so much. It's the most lather I've ever seen out of any sulfate-free shampoo. Yes, this shampoo is sulfate-free, guys. A little bit definitely goes a long way, and that's a really good thing because these products are not cheap, okay? They're not cheap at all, so it's really nice that a little bit goes a long way for this shampoo. So now I'm just rinsing the shampoo out of my hair again, and I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. So I just apply this all over to start, just to get that sitting in my hair. And then I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 sections so that I can detangle and make the process as easy as possible. So I'm not gonna lie, it looks like I'm struggling through this entire detangling process, guys, because I was struggling. My hair was super tangled before I started this, like super duper tangled. I really neglected my hair for like 3 or 4 days. Your girl was just, I was not feeling life for a couple of days. So my hair didn't get done. So pretty hard to get through, but this conditioner has a lot of slip. It has really good slip, I do have to say. Don't let my struggles fool you. It's pretty good for detangling. I'm not like super wowed by the conditioner, but it does moisturize, it does have good slip, and yeah, so after detangling the section, I just twist it up like I normally do out of the way and then move on to the next section. Even though I'm not like super wowed by this conditioner or anything like that, you can see like the moisture coming in, the definition coming back. My brush also helps with that as well, so take that into consideration. The Felicia Leatherwood brush does give you a lot of definition. But yeah, it did bring some moisture to my hair. So I let that sit on my hair for 30 minutes and I sat under a dryer with a plastic cap on. And I only did this because my stylist recommended that I do it this way. But the directions, I think, say you only have to leave it on for like a few minutes. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like, and I hope if my style, girl, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I don't feel like it did anything extra. So I think what I'm gonna do when using this product is either mix it with some deep conditioners that I use, or use that to detangle and then deep condition afterwards. I'm probably just gonna mix it with my deep conditioners because don't nobody got time for all that. But this is my hair after I rinsed the conditioner out and it's looking pretty good. So definitely the moisture came back. My hair was in a super stretched, super blown out, well, it kind of started to shrink up, but it was in a blown out, super stretched state. So I definitely did get my curls back. However, like I said, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, but usually after like deep conditioning and stuff like that, my hair is a little bit more defined, a little bit less frizzy. So I will say that I definitely feel like my hair it felt a little bit stronger. Like it felt almost like I did a protein treatment, but I didn't. And it did feel moisturized. However, I definitely could have done with I definitely could have used a little bit more moisture. So I will be mixing that conditioner with some of my, favorite deep conditioners to see if that makes a difference. Also, it probably didn't help that I shampooed my hair twice because I don't know how to read directions. So that is something to take into consideration as well. Okay. So guys, I'm back and obviously I finished styling my hair and everything. all in all, my first impression of these products is that they are pretty good. My hair did feel a lot stronger. It looked really healthy and shiny after using them. So I think it was a good idea for me to use this right after, you know, I used all that heat and I was manipulating my hair quite a bit. It really helped to bring my curls back and help my hair bounce back from that heat that I was using. So in a few weeks, maybe like a month or two, I will come back and show you guys, you know, if there's any progress with my hair. So far, I'm gonna say that these products are worth it, but just hold on for my follow-up video, okay? And I'll let you guys know if it's completely worth it. These products are very expensive, okay? They're not cheap, but I think it's worth a shot if you are dealing with damaged hair, because I've heard a lot of good things about Olaplex, okay? A few of you guys actually told me that I should try it out. So hopefully it helps to bring my hair back to health. So far, I've been doing pretty good with getting my curls to bounce back and like getting my hair to, you know, feel stronger and healthier after all that freaking mess that I was doing to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried Olaplex products or if you plan on trying them, and let me know how you feel about them if you have tried them. Okay, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.